Hello everyone, this is my industrial training presentation on Python. Here is my training details. Mode of training online, start date 1/8/20, and date 1/9/20, duration 30 days, number of hours 30 hours. This is my certificate of training. Topics: what is Python, history of Python, scope of Python, who uses Python today, why do people use Python, Python basic data types, what can we do with Python, and my project. What is Python? Python is a general purpose programming language that is often applied in scripting roles. That's why it is also called as a scripting language. Python is also called as interpreted language. History of Python. It is invented in Netherlands by Guido van Rossum. It conceived in the late 1980s and its implementation was started in December 1989. As Guido van Rossum is a fan of Monty Python's Flying Circus, this is a famous TV show in Netherlands. It is named after Monty Python and it is open source from the beginning. Scope of Python. It is used in science, in bioinformatics, in system administration, in Unix, WebLogic, WebSphere, in web application development, in CGI, Jython, and servlets, and in testing scripts. Who uses Python today? Python is being applied in real revenue generating products by real companies. For instance, Google makes extensive use of Python in its web search system and employs Python's creator. Intel, Cisco, Hewlett Packard, Seagate, Qualcomm, and IBM use Python for hardware testing. ESRI uses Python as an end user customization tool for its popular GIS mapping products. YouTube, the video sharing service, it is largely written in Python. Why do people use Python? Because Python is object-oriented. Its structure supports such concepts as polymorphism, operation overloading, and multiple inheritance. It's free and open source. Downloading and installing Python is free and easy source code is easily accessible. It's powerful, dynamic typing, built-in types and tools, library utilities, third-party utilities, example numeric, NumPy, and SciPy. Automatic memory management, it's portable. Python runs virtually in every major platform used today as long as you have a compatible Python interpreter installed. Python programs will run in exactly the same manner irrespective of platform. Data type, we have booleans. These are either true or false. Numbers, these can be integers 1 and 2. Floats 1.1 and 1.2. Fractions 1/2 and 2/3, or even a complex numbers. Strings, these are the sequences of Unicode characters, example, an HTML document. Bytes and byte arrays, example, a JPG image file. Lists, these are ordered sequences of values. Tuples, these are ordered immutable sequences of values. Sets, these are unordered bags of values. Example of string, whoop, integer 42, float 3.14159, list, and tuple. Variable, variables are nothing but reserved memory locations to store values. Example, counter equals to 100, integer assignment, miles equals to 13.0, it is floating point, name equals to John, it is a string. Python operator, we have arithmetic operator, plus, minus, multiplication, divide, modulus, and exponent. Comparison operator, greater than, less than, equals to, greater than, equals to, and not equals to. Logical operator, and, or not. Tuples, tuple is a sequence of immutable Python objects. These are sequences just like list. The differences between tuples and lists are tuples cannot be changed unlike lists, and tuples use parentheses whereas lists use square brackets. Here is an example of tuples in which it uses a parenthesis. List, these are the most versatile data type available in Python, which can be written as a list of comma separated values items between square brackets. Example of list, lists are enclosed in square brackets. Loops, loop statements allows us to execute a statement or group of statements multiple times. We have while loop, it repeats a statement or group of statements while a given condition is true. For loop executes a sequence of statements multiple times and abbreviates the code that manages the loop variable. Nested loops, you can use one or more loop inside any other while, for, or do while loop. Function blocks begin with the keyword def followed by the function name and then parentheses. Here is the syntax of function. What can we do with Python? system programming, graphical user interface programming, internet scripting, component integration, database programming, gaming, images, XML, robot, and more. Here is my project. In this project, this is the Windows-based application for country trip booking system and will allow the user to purchase a trip ticket against category. The system will accept your credit card details, and after purchasing a ticket, it will give you the final receipt of the ticket. Here is the Python structure: importing modules, defining methods, defining variables, then setting a default values, and then designing a frame. Here is my project. And here is the output of my project. This is the title, country trip booking system, and here is some parameters. And these, after clicking on this button, total cost, we will get the total cost. And after clicking on reset, this all values will get reset. After clicking on reset, we will get a receipt. And after clicking on exit, we will exit from this system. Thank you.